Hello guys, welcome to Abby Life Vlogs. Today we are here in Maan Farms and we'll vlog this entire day today. It's a summer and a beautiful sunshine day. Maan Farms is located in the city of Abbotsford, which is quite nearby to Surrey. It's in British Columbia. It's a very well-known place. You can come here with your friends and family, even your kids, and have some small little family time, do picnics around. You can do berry picking here, celebrate your weddings, your kids' parties, maybe birthdays and stuff. They have these pet farm animals, which is so cute, and it's a fun day to spend with family, I believe. You can also buy some fresh produce from the shops itself, like wine and stuff. Just depends upon the season, whatever season you're coming in. They do have corn maze, pumpkin patches, strawberry pickups and berry pickups, all those things around. So towards the end, I would say this is really a cool day here. We enjoyed all together, such a cute and a fun farm. I came here with my parents and we really enjoyed seeing all these pet animals, farm animals, especially alpacas. It was my first time seeing them here. Also, there are some activities like zip lining, pillow jumper, and for small kids, there's like trampoline here. So definitely, I do recommend you guys to come and visit this place. Also, you can shop for some things while going out. There's a shop. You can take away the pickles. We took the strawberries from here. So come here, check out, and definitely give a thumbs up if you like this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.